In this video, I will show how to hide. In this video, I will show how to hide recent files in Illustrator. If you will see your number of recent files open and you need to hide and remove. So edit preferences. So click on edit and hover cursor to preferences, and here you have to click on file handling. So underneath files, you will see the option number of recent files to display. It can be 0 to 30. To hide, just select 0, enter the number 0 and click on OK. Now exit and reopen. So this way you can hide. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.